Hi, welcome. This is the introduction video of paper relation rectification in diffusion model. Diffusion models have become the new state-of-the-art in text-to-image generation. However, even the best diffusion models struggle to generate images with correct relationships. For example, given the prompt a tiger below the desk, the diffusion models might generate images of a desk below tiger. Here, we propose relation rectification in the hope that the rectified diffusion model can generate images with the correct relationship desired by the user. For pairs of prompts that had the same relation but where the object words are swapped in position in the sentence, we refer to them as object swap pairs. In the relation rectification task, we aim to maximize the likelihood of generating images with correct relationships while minimizing the likelihood of generating incorrect ones. There are two important findings crucial to solve the task. The first finding is that EOT, which means end of text, and is a special token used in text encoders like clip, is essential for relation generation. As shown in the figure, if we mask out the EOT token, the semantics of images, including relations, are severely damaged. However, if we keep the EOT token and mask out the tokens corresponding to other words in the sentence, the generated image is almost unchanged. In a further experiment, we migrate the EOT of one sentence, for example, a cat inside the box, to another sentence, such as a corgi. We found that the diffusion model ultimately generated an image of a corgi inside the box. This also proves that the EOT token contains relational information. The two experiments above provide insight that relational information is contained in the EOT token. The second finding is that EOT embeddings generated by clip encoder from OSP have a cosine similarity nearly 1. The above findings lead us to a conclusion: the relational information that diffusion model obtains from the text embeddings of the OSP is almost identical. This problem consequently leads to the problem of generating images with incorrect directions of the relations. To solve the above problem, the key idea of our method is to separate the EOT embeddings of OSPs. Here, we propose RNet, which is a GNN that generates correction vectors. The vectors are added to the original EOT embeddings for relational semantic adjustment. We designed two loss functions to train the RNet. The first one is the denoising loss used in vanilla diffusion training. This loss aims at facilitating the generation of the desired relationship direction. However, it might also capture low-level information such as style and appearance. To address the drawback of the denoising loss, we propose the second negative loss. This loss counteracts interference from low-level information and penalizes the generation of incorrect relationship. After training, RNet is capable of producing an adjustment vector to be added to the original EOT embeddings. Then, the adjusted embeddings are used as text guidance for diffusion to generate images. Here, we add a coefficient to control the strength of the adjustment. By adjusting the coefficients, the process of relationship rectification can be clearly observed. In the first row on the left side, with the prompt tiger behind tree, we can observe that the diffusion model originally incorrectly generates an image of a tree behind the tiger. As we increase the coefficient lambda, we can observe the tiger gradually moving back, and finally positioning itself behind the tree. In other rows, we can also observe such interesting transitions. These cases show the effectiveness and good interpretability of our approach. To evaluate the relation rectification task, we designed a novel visual language model-based relation detection framework. We devised prompt pipelines to encourage the visual language model to focus on the relations in the images. The experimental results show that our method significantly surpassed the baselines, including textual inversion, LoRa. Thanks for your watching.